Kia ora koutou, I'm Jeff Brown. I've been a paediatrician for the past 30 years and this is a fantastic place to raise a family. Unfortunately, however, not all children have the opportunities or get the services that they deserve, and not all whānau have easy access to help when they need it. We are embarking on a first 1,000 days project to develop a strategy for every locality so that every child thrives. We see this as a once-in-a-generation opportunity to get out, get to absolute localities where people are and find out what barriers there are, how we break those barriers down, how we get the help that is needed from conception to the second birthday so that every pēpi, every baby, every tamaraki, every child gets the best chance to thrive. We want your help. Join us on this fantastic journey.